Well, hello there everyone, and thank you for coming back to Outrageous Origami Channel, where I, Bradley Stewart here, will show you how to fold one of my brand new designs. So let's get started. What I got right here is an 8-inch square sheet of paper that I cut from a piece of coffee paper, and I painted one side a light lime green. So without further ado, let's get started. So first what we're going to do is we're going to fold the paper diagonally in half both ways so we can create a nice X. Alright, just like that. Okay, now take the paper and fold it in half horizontally. Alright. And now we're going to take the paper and fold it in half horizontally this way. Unfold, just like that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this corner and fold it to the center. Let's take this corner, fold it right to the center right here. And then take this corner and fold it to the center. Just like that. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to take this edge right here and we're going to fold it to this edge right here. Just like that. Fold all the way, nice and sharply. Here, we even use our nails to sharpen it. Just like that. Okay, unfold. Now rotate it and do the same thing right here. We'll fold this edge up to right here to this edge. Alright, pretty sharply. Alright, unfold. Now what we're going to do is we're going to turn the model over and we're going to fold this point up to the center right here. Right? Now unfold, and now we turn it back over again. Alright? And now what we're going to do is we're going to take these folds that we did and we're going to press down the center right here. And now what you can see here is that the paper wants to come together on its own, but we're going to help it out. Okay, so we're going to collapse it in and squash it just like that. Okay, now what we're going to do here is we're going to do another fold, but it's going to be in the other direction. So this is how we're going to do it. We're going to take this pre-existing crease that's going along right here, and we're going to fold it down, just like that. Okay, unfold, do the same thing right here. I'm going to change it up into a mountain, fold it up like that. Okay, and now what we're going to do here is we're going to fold along this edge right here. I'll fold that up. Okay. Unfold. Now, if you turn it over, we're going to hit the center right here, and it should pop up like this. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take it and we'll fold it in. Just like that. Alright. Now what we're going to do here is we're going to try to bring this whole section up to the front right here. So this is how we're going to do it. We're going to go underneath right here on both sides, and we're going to press down right here, and we're going to fold it all the way up just like that. And if you want to, you can do this. All right, I'm going to refold that back down to the original spot like this. Turn it over, and what we're going to do here is we already got a crease right here, so what we're going to do here is we're going to take this corner right here and fold it to that corner, but we're only going to pinch the center. So I'll pinch the center right here, like that. Then we're going to take this whole flap right here, this whole section, and we'll fold it on to this intersection right here. Just like that. See? And here's what the back's going to look like. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to fold this back down to where it looks like this. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to take this edge right here, this flap, and we're going to fold it to this center crease. Just like that. Do the same thing right here. Just like that. Okay, now unfold, and now rotate it. And now what we're going to do is we're going to do the same thing. We're going to take this edge and fold it to the center. And then take this edge right here and fold it to the center. Just like that. Okay? Now unfold. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do a rabbit ear fold. Or if you ever fold the fish, we're going to make a fish base. So what we're going to do is we're going to take both of these creases that we made and we're going to collapse them in together like this. Okay? And the flap should stick up like this. And then when you get all them both collapsed down like this, just fold that flap down. Just like that. Do the same thing here on this side. Take both of them. Flap sticking up. We're going to push it down. Just like that. Okay, now the model should look like this. Okay? After you got this done, we're going to take this flap that we previously have folded and we're going to fold it back up. Just like this. Okay? Now what we're going to do is we are going to do a color change. We are going to change this section right here white. Same with this section right here. That way we can get Yoshi's little white cheeks that he has. Right? So let's do it. I'm going to open this up, flap up right here. We're going to have to do a little bit of unfolding. Okay? Take this section right here, fold it out. Like this. Let's see here. Okay, here we go. Right here at this part right here, we're gonna fold it down. That and refold it. And right here we're going to refold that section like that. Let's see if I remember this correctly. Yes, I remember this correctly. Okay. Sorry about that. It's been a while since I've folded this model. Okay. So unfold partially like this. Yeah, I'll try to do it a little bit more slowly. That way y'all can see it. Okay. Models like this, right? Okay. We're going to take this flap right here. Fold it right here, and this is what we're going to change up right here. We're going to make a new crease right here at this section. Okay? So we're going to partially unfold like this. See? And we're going to take this and make a mountain fold right here. Like that. See? And then we're going to push that back in like that. And right here, we're going to first fold that back inside. The model should look like this now. Okay, and I'm going to turn it over and we'll look at the back. Right. Okay, now what we're going to do is we are going to make his eyes. Okay, first what we're going to do is we're going to fold this flap down, right? And next, what we're going to do here is we're going to try to figure out how to get this section right here to be our center, because we want this flap right here to be our center, and how to do that, we have to do it in thirds, if I remember right. Or fold it up to right here to this crease. Let's see. Yes, 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 yes. See, I'm relearning it as we go. It has been a while since I designed this model. All right. So fold both flaps down like this, and we're going to fold the points up to the intersect where the two creases meet, right up on top. So here's the first one right there. Here's the second one right there. Just like that. And now we're going to reach in here. I'm going to grab this valley fold crease, and we're going to pinch and make it into a mountain like that. And we're going to re-fold it, and it should come out looking like this. Okay, do the same thing right here. Chin side right here and turn that valley into a mountain, and then fold that down to make this crease. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to take this corner right here and fold it to this corner. All right. Just like that. Okay, unfold. And now, right here at this pocket, we're going to open it up like that. And now we're going to refold that crease that we made earlier, squash it down. Just like that. All right, do the same right here. I'm going to fold that crease down. All right, unfold. So your finger in the pocket, like that. Now let's squash it down. Just like that. Okay? Now here comes a little fun step. Excuse me. We're going to fold all this back down. And now what we're going to do here is we're going to take this section right here, and we're going to fold it to this intersection right here. I'll show you. But we're not going to fold all the way down, okay? Well, I mean, we're going to fold all the way down, just not through all these layers. You fold it to right there. Just fold it down. Best thing to do is to just have the crease end right here where this crease is. End it right there. Okay? And what I did was I took this edge right here and I folded it to right here at this intersection right there. And I folded it till the crease met with this crease right here. Okay? Now I want us to open this pocket up right here like that, and we're going to squash it down like that. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take this side that's near to the center crease right here, we're going to fold it inside. So this is how we're going to do it. We're going to take it and we'll start mountain folding it like this. And right here, as soon as it meets up with this bottom crease right here, we're going to make a new crease by having it wrap around in it and having it flatten down like this. When you go to fold this section back up. Okay, unfold. Just like that. See if I can. Like, here, I'll unfold that. See, here's the unfolded part, like this. Now we're going to fold it inside. And that should swivel like this. Just like that. Okay? Now we're going to do the same on this side. So I'll fold that back down, and it would also unfold this part right here, which is fine. I'm going to fold right there to that intersection. Like that. And open it up. Squash it down like that. Then take it right here and mount and fold it behind. And as we're doing that, we're going to get that back up, and we're going to have a little swivel fold right here. Right here as well, as we're folding it back up. It should look like this. Okay? Now what we're going to do is we're going to open this up a little bit like this, and we're going to take this section right here and we're going to pull out some paper and fold this part down. And you notice how it's not really wanting to lay flat, so this is how we're going to make it lay flat. We're going to take it, we're going to make a new fold right here on the side, and just a little fold, nothing too big. And right here at this section, we're going to push it down like that. So it should fold down like this. See, have it like that, and fold it down like that. Okay, do the same thing right here. Take the paper out, pull it down like that. And right here, this section, we're going to fold a little bit to the side. Right here, that down, like that. The miles should look like this now. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this section right here and we're going to fold it behind to where it lines up with these creases, if y'all can see them. It's going to line up with them like that. It should come out to looking like this. Okay. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to shape his face. And here's how we're going to do it. We're going to take this section right here. We're going to, let's see, unfold this part right here. And then take this section and fold it right here, but only don't actually fold it all the way. Just have it like this, and take this right here and fold it to where this edge is right here. Put down like that. Crease sharply. Okay, like that. Now unfold, and now we're going to take this section right here and we're going to sink fold it. Just this layer right here, not these two flaps right here. Okay. So right here, what we're going to do is sink that crease that we just made like this. And you notice how it's still green right here. Well, we're going to change that. So we're going to fold this flap over like this, and we're going to, on this side, going to fold it over, kind of like how we make a kite base, like that, and then re-fold it back. Okay? And it should look like this. Do the same thing right here on this side. Fold that flap over, right here. We'll fold it over like that. And fold it back in, like that. And right here, we just fold a little bit of the corners in, just to have a much rounded figure, like that. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to make this part. We're going to fold this part like this, where the crease starts right here at this end point. We're just folding it like that. There's not really much references right here. You just fold as straight as you can. Same right here, just like that. And then fold, unfold, and now we fold this behind that crease that we just made. We're going to fold it behind right here too, just like that. And now what we're going to do is going to refold this flap that we made earlier. Fold that back behind, like that. And right here, we're going to fold a little bit behind, like that. Same right here, fold just a little bit, like that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to fold this flap, just the tip. We're going to fold that behind, like that. Do the same right here. Fold that one behind, just like that. And we're going to round off his cheeks. Round them off. Just like that. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to work on his eyes. We're going to try to, right here where the, let's see, how do this? Okay, try to leave a little bit of space, just a little bit of eye space right here. Like that. Okay, and then take this part right here, fold it from this point right here down to right here, pull that behind, just like that. Do the same thing right here, like that. And now we fold our corners in to shape it up. If you want to, we can fold the corner to match it with this edge right here, like that. Same right here. Like this. Okay, and now turn the model over. And right here, we want this to be on the inside, this flap right here. So we're going to open this up like this. We're going to push that section right there. Well, what do you know? I just now noticed something that I just now seen. All right, we can now have meet this point right here and fold it down to where this edge right here is. So we can fold it down inside as far as it will go, which will meet up with that edge, and then refold everything back in like this. All right. Okay, turn it back over, and we're almost done with Yoshi. Oh, let me fold that back down. Okay. Now all we got left to do is the little details on his nose. With his nose, we're going to go right in here. We're going to shape it up. Okay. Now this part's optional right here if you want to do his nose. believe his nose is this far up, if I remember right. And round it up. And there you have it. We have now completed
Yoshi! Yahoo!
Alright, I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope y'all have a fantastic day. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.